In this video, I'll be sharing a secret strategy with you all that you can use to get ahead of 99% of editors in the industry and become a part of top 1% editors. This is a no fluff guide. All the steps that I have mentioned in this video are 100% proven and many editors are doing this. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. The first thing you need to do to get ahead of 99% editors is identifying your niche. Wait. Now you will ask, hey, why I need to identify a niche? I can edit any type of video. What nonsense. Listen, I know you can edit any type of video, and this is your biggest mistake. You think you are so good, you can edit any type of video, and this is the biggest mistake that's stopping you from growing as an editor. You think you can edit any type of video, but you are not master of any specific style. You have heard this line, jack of all, master of none. At this place, you are jack. You can edit any type of video, but you are not master of any specific style. You see, the highest paid editors are master of one specific style. You see movie editors, you will never see them editing YouTube videos. You see commercial video editors, you will never see them editing movies or YouTube videos. You see music video editors, you see professional music video editors, you will never see them editing YouTube videos or any other type of videos. Why? Because they have mastered one specific style for one specific audience. That's why they get paid a lot. So if you want to become an editor like them, then you need to master one specific style. You see, video editing is a huge field. There are 1,000 different niches in video editing. Let's suppose if you take YouTube video editing, you see there are hundreds of different niches in only this one category. You see there are talking head videos, documentaries, reaction videos, gaming videos, unboxing videos, tech videos. There are 100 different niches, and if we break them down more, let's see, if we pick talking head videos, we can find 100 different niches in this one category. Let's see, there is a finance niche in talking head, there is a self-improvement niche, there is a sports niche, reaction, gaming, and there is 100 different niches in only talking head videos. Video editing is a huge niche, and right now we are only talking about YouTube video editing and like you see on social media. So there's 100,000 different niches in only one category of video editing. Now if you try to learn all of these styles, you won't be able to do that because there are 100 different editing style in these niches. You see, if we pick top creators like Iman Ghazi, Ali Abdal, Alex Hormozzi, they all have different styles, and if you try to learn all of them at once, you won't be able to do that. Or if you try to work for clients, you won't be able to master only one specific style. So if you want to get ahead of your competition, you need to identify your niche and become a master of one specific style. Now how you can do that? You just need to find a niche or style that you are most interested in. Let's suppose if we pick short form content, now pick a niche that you are most interested in. Let's suppose you are interested in finance content, and now you pick that niche. So what it will do, it will give you three advantages. First, you get a clarity of which type of clients to work with. Second, you get a clarity of which type of style should I learn and pursue. And third, you get your target audience to work with. Now you get clarity on which type of clients to work with, and you get clarity on which editing style should you pursue. And now if you stay consistent in this style and work with these type of clients and help them get better results, you can charge a lot of from other clients. You can charge a lot. If you were getting paid $10 per reel in the past, and now you can charge $30, $40. Or if you charge in bulk, like if you were charging $500 for 20 reels, now you can charge $1,000 or even $1,500 for 30 or 20 reels. So this is how identifying your niche helps you in getting better clients and helps you becoming a better video editor and helps you in becoming a master at what you do. So now if you want to become a better video editor and get ahead of 99% editors in the industry, then you need to identify a niche and identify a category that you are interested in and master the style that suits that category or niche. So these things will help you in becoming a better video editor if you apply this consistently. So if you got value from this video, and make sure to give it a like and subscribe to get more videos like this. Also comment down below which topic you want me to cover in the next video. I will make a video on that. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.